Did you know shoelaces have evolved? They're called HICKIES, a new lacing system. A new idea. Fasten once, never tie again. Make all your shoes look better and feel better.
Who are HICKIES for? Everyone. They work on any shoe.
What makes HICKIES so special? Once installed, you can slip on and off your shoes. You will never have loose laces again.
They adapt to your muscles movements, making sneakers more comfortable.
They are easy to use and you can adjust the tightness.
No messy bows. Make your shoes look, fit, and perform better.
Hi, my name is Marikel.
And I'm Gaston.
And we are the founders of HICKIES.
HICKIES lacing system are the evolution of shoelaces.
What started like a cool accessory to slip on and off your shoes has evolved into HICKIES 2.0, a smart, adapted lace alternative that makes your shoes fit like a glove.
This is why we're here today, to introduce HICKIES 2.0 to our beloved Kickstarter community. We launched the company with you and we want to give you the opportunity to be the first ones to have this product.
This is HICKIES 2.0. Same idea, but now more durable, more comfortable, a more streamlined design, more secure, and we offer two different models, adults and kids. HICKIES 2.0 allows your shoes to mold to every curve and arc. We wanted everyone to feel their feet muscles moving in synchronicity with their shoes. How does it work?
The fact that HICKIES 2.0 connects only two eyelets at a time makes it possible to deliver a targeted, customized fit. The key is to thread HICKIES using our different lacing techniques. If you have a high arch, you can loosen your HICKIES or tighten them up if your feet are too narrow or flat. HICKIES is the only lacing system smart enough to be truly adaptive.